Greetings to everyone. I trust you're having a splendid day. Welcome back to another video. Are you keen on having Scarlet permanently installed? If so, in this video I'll guide you through the process of achieving just that on your iOS device without facing any revocation issues. Throughout this demonstration, I'll be using an iPhone X running iOS 16. Let's delve into the steps. To begin with, ensure that you have Troll Store installed on your device. You can sideload Troll Store using tools like Sideloadly or Cydia Impactor. If you're unsure about this step, refer to our tutorial video for detailed instructions. If you haven't already, find the sideload link in the video description. Once Troll Store is installed, launch the app. Within Troll Store, navigate to the settings and configure them according to your preferences using the installer helper. It's crucial to ensure that the exploitation process completes successfully. Once done, proceed to install Troll Store helper. This step might result in your device restarting, so be patient. After your device restarts, open the installed apps and locate Troll Store. Wait for the installation process to complete. Troll Store is a jailbroken app capable of permanently installing any IPA file you open within it. This exploit leverages an AMFI or core trust bug in iOS, bypassing code signature verification. Once Troll Store is installed, open it and search for the Scarlet app. You can download Scarlet from the designated website. Simply visit scarlet.cas on your browser. Follow the instructions provided in the video to seamlessly integrate Scarlet into Troll Store. After Scarlet is successfully installed, navigate to your Downloads folder and ensure that the IPA file has been downloaded correctly. Open Troll Store again, select the IPA file for Scarlet, and proceed with the installation. Once installed, you'll find the Scarlet icon on your home screen. Long press the icon and click on Manage Certificate. Add your Apple Idaho to authenticate the installation process. Scarlet serves as an alternative app store to Cydia, offering advanced features and a visually appealing interface. Now, you can sideload IPA files using Scarlet without worrying about revocations. Install any IPA apps you desire with Scarlet's assistance. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Until next time, take care.